it's now time to you, Martin. So I hope you're here. I could see you connected earlier.
Hey.
Yeah, hi, Martin. Great. So we are all excited to hear what you have to tell us regarding the Atlassian vision and strategy, especially after what Atlassian announced some weeks ago. A lot of people are curious about the cloud and data center offer you've got. So yeah, just looking for your presentation. So all yours. Thank you, Martin.
Okay, yeah, sure. Let me share my screen. And okay, so yeah, first of all, thank you, Florian, the Deiser team for inviting me. My name is Martin Alvarez. I'm a TPM, a technical partner manager at Atlassian. And my role as a TPM is to work with the biggest partners that we have in the marketplace, gold and platinum partners such as Deiser, and work together to be aligned and basically improve our ecosystem. During my presentation today, I will be sharing some stuff, and a quick reminder is that some of these stuff are not completely defined. So some of these things are subject to change, but I'm pretty confident that most of these things are happening anyway. But just to get this out of the way, my legal team insisted in me having this slide. I prepared a small agenda so we can go through it today. We will start with a small overview. We will compare a bit the differences between cloud, especially enterprise cloud and data center. I will share with you some of the investments we have been doing around enterprise cloud. I will talk a little bit about the Atlassian migration program that we launched recently. And we will also leave 10 minutes at the end to reply any questions that should arise. But okay, let's kick it off. We have been on the enterprise journey at Atlassian for many years now. We started with server, then we introduced data center, and now to cloud. Regardless of the deployment option, Atlassian core mission is to unleash the potential of every team. We fundamentally believe it's about teams and teamwork, and this is what really differentiates Atlassian and moves our business forward. We are focusing our time and energy to empower teams of all types and sizes to be more successful. Atlassian has supported enterprise organizations for a long time. 83% of the Fortune 500 use Atlassian products. Over time, we have shifted from building for individual teams to building for multiple teams to building to entire organizations so that all teams can be successful. Today, enterprise organizations rely on Atlassian to provide mission-critical services. And we will talk about our two enterprise offerings, cloud and data center. Cloud is our Atlassian managed offering for enterprise customers. In fact, over 90% of our customers now start with Atlassian cloud products, with more servers customers making the switch every day. The majority of our customers can now move to cloud, and we are continuing to knock down remaining blockers on our roadmap. We have been heavily investing in building our cloud capabilities to support enterprise organizations. And in these cases, Atlassian does all the heavy lifting for you with built-in platform security and compliance, faster setup, and no maintenance required. We also have financially backed uptime SLAs. Cloud comes with the benefit of continuous innovation, so your end users will have the latest and greatest experience. We are also investing further in clouds to increase scale, meet additional and complex requirements like HIPAA and FedRAMP, and help admins manage their instances in a more seamless manner. On the other hand, Data Center is our self-managed offer for enterprise customers. It's all about you and managing your environment and deploying where you want. You have full control over data management, security, and compliance, and when you upgrade to the latest features. Data Center comes with capabilities to help improve performance and uptime so you can have complete control over your instance. A few years back, when we surveyed enterprise customers, I think this was back in 2018, we asked their feedback around what features would be needed for them to move to our cloud. We came back with a top 50 list that we have used to guide our investments in cloud. At the time of the survey, cloud covered 9 out of the 50 requests. These were big blockers that we had to take head on if our customers were going to be successful on Atlassian Cloud. We have been working pretty hard. And fast forward to today, now we have 24 of these top features live, with the majority of them underway. We will deep dive into these features in the cloud platform section, so I won't cover this right now. But the key message here is that we took those challenges head on, and we are confident that our cloud is ready for you. What we will take you through today is our view of how we are investing in enterprise foundations that support your businesses, processes, and requirements in cloud. From our discussion today, we hope to give you a clearer view of capabilities in cloud and where we are looking to the future. Across our enterprise offerings, run by Atlassian via Enterprise Cloud, or whether it is self-managed through your data center solution, we deliver an enterprise-grade foundation of capabilities. These are capabilities you expect from Atlassian security, privacy, compliance, reliability, scale, change management, and enterprise support. These investment areas make up the foundation that powers the Atlassian platform across ITSM, DevOps, Agile at scale, and work management, supporting collaboration within and outside your organization. Next, we will deep dive into each of these areas. Our cloud platform is the secret sauce of Atlassian Cloud. Right out of the box, you will get all the things you would have to do manually with a lot of labor if you were running your own servers. First, let's talk about security and governance on cloud. This will be a big one for cloud conversations. In cloud, customers get standardized access controls and policies implemented automatically out of the box. We launched Atlassian Access almost 2 years ago, and it's been our fastest growing product. With Atlassian Access, we do all the heavy lifting for you with a centralized way to standardize security policies, monitoring, and administration across your organization. Access helps our admins sleep well at night. With Access, you can mandate single sign-on, password policies, automatically you can provision or deprovision users, control API tokens all in one place. And it all starts with the admin hub. We built in domain capture. You can see all the users in your organization. You can edit the details or export them to CSV for bulk editing. Admins love automation. So we have built admin APIs to help you automate user management across your organization. We have also partnered with 5 of the largest identity providers to support single sign-on, and also have integrations with Google Cloud, Identity, and ADFS. With Access, we want to give admins superpowers so they can be productive at any scale. So we now have automatic user provisioning via Okta, Azure, Google, and OneLogin. And if you're using custom directories, don't worry. We got you covered with APIs to help you build your own connector. Safety starts at home, especially in 2020. So we have implemented even more sophisticated ways of protecting accounts by monitoring suspicious logins. Now, if we detect any anomalies, you get a heads up immediately so that you can take the necessary precautions. Customers have told us they need more granular visibility into what's going on so they can monitor and manage risk. And we have built in just that. Audit logs are a record of who changed group memberships, granted access to users, modified permissions, and more. A single source of truth now available in Atlassian Cloud. Sorry, in Atlassian Access. IP allow listing allows you to define specific IP addresses that are allowed access to your Jira or Confluence Cloud. If a request comes in from a network that is not on your list of allowed IPs, it will be blocked at the edge of Atlassian's network. This gives your IT team the power to restrict Jira and Confluent access to specific internal employees or approve external contractors to avoid unknown devices or external networks accessing your systems. Next, onto privacy and compliance. We make sure that our customers never have to worry about compliance. We have dedicated teams that take care of this for them, no matter what's next on the regulatory horizon. We also built in privacy options right into Atlassian Cloud so that users can control visibility settings through a simple dropdown, just like so. And while we hate to see you go, if you choose to delete an account, taking your data with you is easy and painless. Just with one click of a button, users can exercise the right to be forgotten. With Atlassian Cloud, privacy is built in. Our cloud products are GDPR by default, right to be forgotten built into the products, so you don't have ever to really worry about being compliant. We also hear a lot of misperceptions about data management on cloud. The reality is that cloud, you can choose where your data lives without having to increase your infrastructure footprint and overhead. So you don't have to worry about scoping, procuring, installing, testing infrastructure, and all the time that takes. At mega scale, companies are multinational. We have data centers around the world to help deliver quick responses, no matter where in the world an office is located. Many of our customers work in regulated industries with specific data guidelines. As part of our cloud enterprise, we offer data residency support. This means users have the choice to pick where your data is hosted, from Jira issues and Confluence pages to comments, attachments, and configurations. You choose where your data lives, coming up first in EU and the United States. What's more, for existing customers that upgrade to a cloud enterprise, you can also choose to migrate your data from one geo to another. Data residency is an area where we continue to make progress, so it's important that we continue to educate our customers. Next, the cloud platform offers financially backed uptime SLAs so that you don't have to worry or concern your teams with uptime worries. Because we know how mission critical Atlassian is to your organizations, in Cloud Enterprise, we offer financially backed uptime guarantees of 99.95%. Next, let's get into change management. In cloud, we want to make it easy for you to manage change and roll out new features and capabilities smoothly across your teams. With Cloud Enterprise, we empower admins with change management control to help them roll out the latest capabilities to users in a streamlined way without disrupting the business. Control when and how you deploy new Jira and Confluence features to your users with the Cloud Sandbox and release tracks, so teams can update with confidence by reviewing and testing new releases before rolling them out to teams. To that end, we are launching release tracks, an opt-in feature where you can choose to defer feature rollout after 2 weeks and bundle them together in a single push. This enables admins to be more prepared with rollout guides, documentations, and a plan before users are exposed to new features across the organization. And it's not just that. You can even test those features in a cloud sandbox before you roll them out. With Sandbox, a feature that is available on Premium and Enterprise, you can close your production data and your app data so you can make a super realistic assessment of what changes will look like in production for your organization. Last but not least, we have Extensibility, which is a huge driver for Atlassian Cloud return of investment. With Cloud, you get a way to extend our products while we host, run, secure, and scale all your cloud extensions and apps. We help you focus on adapting our products to your needs, and we take care of the rest. To extend the capabilities of our products, we have more than 1,600 apps and integrations in our cloud marketplace. There are tons of cloud apps and more are coming every day. In fact, over 600 cloud apps were added in 2020 so far. And we are seeing a rush of cloud app development over the past year, where we have literally added a new app into the cloud marketplace every single day. And we are on track to double that pace in the coming year. But we know that it's not just about the number of apps in the cloud, but it's about trust. We want users to have the same security and trust they have come to expect from Atlassian, from our app marketplace as well. So we have created a security operations team dedicated to this mission. They are working closely across our app ecosystem to up-level security measures through new programs like bug bounties and providing additional security tooling to our marketplace partners. In July, we launched a new marketplace partner program, which requires enhanced security certification as part of eligibility criteria so that you can choose our apps with peace of mind. And we're also rolling out our new extensibility framework called Atlassian Forge. Forge empowers all developers, such as customers or our third-party app vendors or SaaS integration partners, to customize Atlassian products to their specific needs, create new solutions and cross-functional workflows that help teams work better together, all built on top of secure, scalable cloud infrastructure where we can run, host, and scale your app for you. We have come a long way on our cloud journey. We launched Atlassian Cloud a decade ago, and since then, we have strengthened our cloud platform by launching products like Access, Cloud Premium, and most recently, Cloud Enterprise for our largest customers. We have a clear plan to get us to 35,000 users on a single instance by 2022. This is the number of one priority for us as a cloud organizations, and we already have some customers at this scale being part of an early access program. Whether you choose cloud or data center, we have the same enterprise services and support to help you feel confident. Whether it is TAM services, our network of Atlassian partners, or dedicated customer success managers, we are committed to make your path successful with Atlassian. A big focus on the cloud side is migrations. Make it as easy as possible to migrate from server or data center to cloud. We have Jira and Confluence migration tools and dedicated wiki migration support. We are also building migration assistance for Jira Service Desk, Bitbucket, and Atlassian apps, as well as cloud-to-cloud migration support. And that leads us to the next topic, the Atlassian migration program. Atlassian continues to invest in making it as easy as possible for customers to make the move to cloud. That's why we launched the Atlassian migration program to provide migrating customers a step-by-step migration resources, free tools, and dedicated support for guidance every step of the way. We have created a free cloud migration trial. We offer dual licensing and loyalty discounts to make it as easy as possible for our largest customers to transition to cloud. And we are also actively investing in free tools like our cloud migration assistance. We hope this helps make it easier for customers to make the switch. From a support perspective, we have a team of cloud migration managers who focus exclusively on cloud migrations and are here to help address any blockers should they arise. And while we will be there to help if you need us, we also prepare the resources and documentation your teams will need during the migration. If you want to learn more, please visit atlassian.com/migration/cloud or get in touch with your favorite solution partner. I think I talked quite a lot, so I will be happy to take on some questions if there are any.
Hello, Martin. Thank you very much for that presentation. Always really informative. And well, we have one question that came through anonymously, and it says, is Atlassian Access built in cloud?
Yeah, Atlassian Access is actually a separate product that it comes included in the Enterprise Cloud offering. So if you sign up for Atlassian Enterprise Cloud, that will be already included in the package. If you have a standard cloud or a premium cloud, you can always purchase that product separately as you would purchase any other product.
Nice. Thank you very much. Also, we have another anonymous question that has to do with the bug bounty. You mentioned bug bounty before. What does this mean? Bug bounty, for the ones that don't know about it.
Yeah, bug bounty. We have been using this concept for a long time. Basically, what we require our marketplace partners is to sign up on this program, where they open their apps to be the way that I put it, to be put into a test against very techie people that try to find security holes and try to hack away the apps. Obviously, these people, you may call hackers, they get a prize if they find vulnerability in this app. So they are super motivated to find these holes. So basically, we ask them to expose their apps as part of this program to be able to find and solve any security issues. So really, what does it mean in terms of an app is that app has been heavily tested against any security holes that may occur. And also, we have the commitment for the solution partner that if any security holes are found, they will be remediated in a timely manner. So if you see, when you go to the marketplace.atlassian.com, an app that says that is part of the bug bounty program, that is really a guarantee that app is really, really secure.
Thank you very much. That's really nice and interesting too. Let's go to another question. We have a question from Jonas. Hello, Jonas. How's it going? Is there a plan for Atlassian Forge to be out in a beta phase? Something like that.
Well, right now, Forge is in a beta phase. I don't know. Can you maybe repeat the question? I'm not sure if I.
Yeah, is there a plan for Atlassian Forge to be out off the beta phase? To be out of it, not on. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, I think we're working every day to get closer and closer to have this 100% in production. Something to keep in mind is that Forge will not replace the existing framework that we have called Atlassian Connect, but it will more extend the capabilities that exist today in Connect. So basically, as we are giving a server an end of life in the next 3 years, that allowed us to invest very heavily in Forge and in our cloud offerings to keep providing these features that customers require from us, like data residency and scalability, and having these really big instances available in cloud. So definitely a lot more of improvement you will be delivering in Forge in the next 12 months, and is one of our top priorities.
Nice. Thank you very much. I hope that answers your question, Jonas. Well, I think that's our time for now. Also the time for Q&A. Okay, maybe we can answer just one last one from Roberto, because he just posted it. I'm sorry.
No worries.
Because of your last answer for data center apps, what is the equivalent for the cloud security program?
Well, we have a different program that is called the C-approved apps. So all the data center apps, this program was introduced 1 year ago, or even a bit longer, I would say, where we test all the data center apps in order to make sure that they are up to date. So basically, for if there are any marketplace vendors in the call, you will know that right now at the end of the year is the annual review, where we actually ask the partners to test all of their apps again with the newer versions of Jira and all our products, and we make sure that all these apps are stable enough and are certified to work in a multi-server type of environment. So we basically offer the C-approved apps, and it's being validated by Atlassian itself on a yearly basis.
Nice. Thank you very much. I think that we can finish the Q&A session with this. Thank you very much, Martin, for
Thank you, guys.
the presentation. It was really, really nice. And Flora, well, can I say bye to everyone? Thank you very much.
You go, but I stay.
Thank you very much for your questions, and hope to see you soon. Hopefully in person. If not, we can always go on and do something like this. So back to you, Flora. Thank you very much.